So, thank you, Mrs. Kuluri Cristina. Recently, we have seen a great deal of interest in the notion of well-being, more specifically in the notion of child well-being. I am sure you will agree that our topic has many dimensions, and this leads to as many approaches. The goal of our conference is to bring together people from several scientific fields. In this way, we hope to expand the interest in child well-being and make it a permanent feature of scientific investigation. I have learned that introductions have to be short, sweet, and to the point. I like to believe that mine is short and to the point. Whether it is sweet, you be the judge. I hereby announce the official opening of the proceedings of the conference. Thank you.